Today, I'm going to break down the wiring for the OLH107 power supply, explaining it piece by piece. Cut off the main power supply and unplug the wall plug. Check the control cabinet nameplate to verify the input voltage, typically 220 volts 10 or 380 volts. Connect the live and neutral wires to the terminals of the corresponding group. The video demonstrates selecting the pair 10 and 11. Note, the screws must be tightened to prevent terminal burnout caused by poor contact. Connect this wire to the 24 volt switching power supply. Converts 220 volts AC power to 24 volts DC power. Provides a stable, low voltage power supply for the machine's internal circuitry. This is the output terminal of the 24 volt switching power supply. You must strictly distinguish between the positive and negative terminals. Connecting them incorrectly will result in immediate burnout. First, carefully identify the positive and negative terminals located beneath the main control board's power supply. Run two wires from the switching power supply to connect to the power input of the main control board. Take a good look at this wiring diagram. You can take screenshots to refer back to repeatedly during the installation process. Broadly speaking, these are divided into motor power lines, control signal lines, and sensor or detection lines. First, divide the cables into upper machine and lower control lines, and label them accordingly. Take another good look at this motherboard wiring diagram. For beginners, we'll first plug the cable into the main control board. After attaching functional labels to the threads, insert them sequentially into the embroidery machine's mechanism. This is the button switch interface. Locate the bead picking motor and the bead picking encoder on the main control board. Attach labels to both ends of the cable you just plugged in. Locate the bead picking motor and the bead picking encoder on the embroidery machine assembly and plug them in. Now, insert the B-side bead picking motor and the B-side bead picking encoder. Both ends are similarly labeled. Locate the B-bead motor and B-bead encoder on the embroidery machine assembly. The subsequent labeling steps follow the same procedure and will therefore not be reiterated. Insert the C-bead dial motor and the C-bead dial decoder. The other end connects to this specific point on the main body of the embroidery machine assembly. Insert the D-bead motor and D-bead encoder. The other end is located at the main body. Insert the E-bead motor and E-bead encoder. The other end is located at the main body. This is a series motor. The other end is located at the main body. This is an B-series motor. The other end is located at the main body. This is an C-series motor. The other end is located at the main body. This is a commutator motor. This is a gold chip switching optocoupler. The other end is located at the main body. A side feeding motor and a side feeding optical coupler. The other end is located at the main body. B-side feeding motor and B-side feeding optocoupler. The other end is located at the main body. C-axis feeding motor. C-type slotted optocoupler. The other end is located at the main body. D feeding motor. D remove optocoupler. The other end is located at the main body. E discharge motor. E-type optocoupler cut off. The other end is located at the main body. Loose ball check valve. Metal flap valve. The other end is located at the main body. At this point, the embroidery machine assembly has been fully connected.